One of the biggest questions you guys have all the time in the comments is if I could do different types of hype boxes, different types of beater boxes. For one, you can't do a different kind of beater box because there's only one beater box, so that's out of there. But for the hype boxes, there actually are a good amount of options nowadays. I feel like you guys have been requesting one though since I've done like my first hype box video, and that was for this one, a Cruz box. I've never opened up a Cruz box before, but we have one in today, so stay tuned. We're gonna open this one up, see how it goes.
Don't sweat the technique.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with a Cruz box Hypebeast mystery box unboxing. Like I said, I've never opened up a Cruz box before, but yeah, it was pretty cool because Cruz box actually sent over a box today so I could show you guys on camera exactly what it's all about. I don't know much about Cruz box, but I know that Cruz box has been around for like a really long time actually. I think they were the first original Hypebeast mystery box if I'm not mistaken. I feel like I've seen their stuff for like maybe 3-4 years now, something like that. It felt like a really long time. I think they were like first introduced at like a sneaker con or something like that, but yeah, anyway, that's their kind of background on that, and then it kind of just blew up. And yeah, now there's Hypebeast mystery boxes all over the place, so this could be considered the OG. Let's take a look at what they got though. I really have no idea what to expect in this one. I don't think there's too many people that make YouTube videos on Cruz boxes. I'm not too sure, but I mean, if it's a good product, we can maybe start doing it more frequently. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like that. So it looks like we got 2 Cruz box stickers, which is pretty cool, like box logos, but Cruz boxes. Also, we got this card, it says Cruz box right there. Cruz box is the #1 Hypebeast box in the world. About Cruz box, each box is guaranteed 2 shirts from Supreme, Bape, Yeezy, Palace, OVO, or Fear of God. So that's different. Usually the boxes that we see only have Supreme or Bape. I don't really see any other brands in there. So that kind of stuff is like unique to this brand. So that's kind of cool if you guys are interested in those kinds of clothes. Look for box logos and even more exclusive shirts. Plus you get a free mystery item in each box. For example, a hat. And once again, from only the brands we listed. Their IG is also listed on here. It's at Cruz Boxes. I'll put it up on the screen over here. Also, their website is cruzbox.us in case you guys want to go check out a box after this video is done. But on to the actual items in here. Let's see what we got in here. This one is... I have no idea. Okay, some kind of sweater, which is not gonna work for summer in Hawaii right now, but it is a Supreme sweater in size large. I've never seen this one before. It doesn't look like they have Supreme branding anywhere on here, so that's kind of interesting, except for on the tag. Also, it looks like it is used because there's kind of like lint all over the place on here. So that is kind of one of the things that you're signing up for with the Cruz box, is it could be used or new items. In typical Untitled Hawaii fashion, over here is the counter, and it makes it kind of difficult to do a Hypebeast unboxing with used items. I've done that before with beater boxes, but I've never done used items for hype boxes because typically the ones that we've seen before in the past are all brand new items, but this one is used, it looks like, so it's gonna take a little bit more tweaking on calculations and stuff. But yeah, there are avenues where you can try to sell this kind of stuff in case you want to make money, but also it could be just good for collection building. We gotta see. So first piece, I don't know what it's called, it's somewhere up here. Next shirt out, another Supreme shirt in a size large, nothing on the back. This one also looks somewhat worn, I think. I'm not too sure. It does say Supreme and then some explicit language down here, so not gonna show you guys that, but it is like, yeah, a little bit vulgar. Another shirt I can't really wear, but it is Supreme branded though, so I mean, there should be value here. I've never seen this piece either. You guys will see it on the counter over here. I have no idea what it's worth, but yeah, I'm not certain that this one is new either. So 2 used items so far. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's see what else we got. And I guess our free item is actually the Nike Supreme shooting sleeve. So this is actually a good piece. This one is in a size large to XL, and this one looks... Alright, I think this one is brand new, so that's pretty cool. This is the Supreme shooting sleeve though. So literally just a shooting sleeve. It doesn't look like there's sweat or anything on here, so I'm assuming that it's new. But there's actually pretty good value on these. I know these go for at least 100 something. So yeah, there you go. That's like half of the box price in one item. So it was an interesting first Cruz box. You guys can see the competitive market value and the prices up here on the screen. I really have no idea still, but from the looks of it, it looks like it's definitely over the 200 valuation of it. I'm not sure how much in terms of profit you can make, but at the same time, maybe this isn't kind of those boxes where you're trying to make profit. If you're trying to build a collection, things like that, it's better to buy like in mystery items so you're not paying competitive market pricing for these things. The trade-off obviously is that you don't know what you're gonna get, but in return you actually get stuff for cheaper than what you would have paid at competitive market pricing with the shipping and all of that stuff. So there are pros and cons obviously. So far it's looking all right. I mean, I feel like it's a small sample size, so Maybe some of these things don't work for me because I just can't wear them. Like this one, I can't get really hyped about because it has explicit language on it and I don't rep that kind of stuff. So not really for me. It might be for you guys though. And then this, yeah, not in Hawaii, man. I can't wear that. I'm gonna melt. I'm already melting now. It's way too hot. Supreme shooting sleeves is definitely dope though. I think this is a cool piece to have in that box. So you know what? Since I can't actually keep any of this stuff, I might as well give it away, right? So we'll use this Cruz box, I guess, as a giveaway opportunity. So if you guys want the stuff that was in this box, there's a gleam.io link in the description below. It'll be really easy steps. You just click on subscribe, the yada yada yada, Instagram, this, and then yeah, you're entered to go. Even if you're already subscribed to the channel, by just clicking those +1s, you actually get your entry submitted. So yeah, be sure to do that because yeah, you could definitely win all of this stuff. It's not a mystery, but at least you know exactly what you're getting and it's free. So that's dope. Thank you to Cruz Box for sending us over though. Really dope of you guys, man. Great to see what products are out there on the market, man. You can't just stick to one thing. You got to be able to diversify. You got to be able to look at the market as a whole. So it's good to see places like this showing off what they got. So I like it. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more Cruz boxes. If you guys have other brands of hype boxes that you guys want to see, or beer boxes if you can find one, comment it down below, tag me in those posts. That way we can open it up on the channel and yeah, maybe you guys have a better idea of what's inside of those boxes. So thank you guys for watching this. But until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha.
Shoots!